Hey guys, Luke here, Tranquility based detailing. Welcome to an unboxing. I've not filmed one of these in a little while, and in all fairness, I've not filmed anything in a little while, so Team TBD set me straight and said, film an unboxing. The problem is they told me to do that after I unbox stuff, so I'll show you. I've already unboxed it, but we have got some stuff from Work Stuff. Now, you may not have heard of these people, certainly here in the UK. It's of no surprise, they don't really have a UK seller yet, any sort of UK distribution going on. I'm sure that will change in good time. But they're a Polish brand and they do the tools of the trade. So buckets, wash mitts, cloths and brushes. And I've been speaking with Michael from Work Stuff and he sent me a couple bits over just to take a look at. So I thought, hey, yeah, do an unboxing. It'll all work a treat. So bucket wise, they have a pair of buckets. So yellow one, black one. The black one is the rinse. Yellow one is the wash. So this turned up and all the goodies are within. They're all inside. Really nice, really sturdy bucket. I think it's a 25 litre if I'm not mistaken. And it's nice that they've printed onto the bucket, not just the branding, but the wash as well. So although stickers are lovely, that printing is not going to go away anytime soon. So it's really nice. So let me just pull up something there. And we'll see what's within. So other bits and bobs they sent. I have a Gentleman Plus. Now the tripod's on the table. My other tripod's in the car and I can't be bothered to go outside. So when I lean, I get seasick. Sorry. So a Gentleman Plus. And like I say, they do a bit of everything. So they've got a wash mitt, wash pad, drying towel, a bigger drying towel, or maybe even a thicker one, I'm not sure. So they've got this cloth. There's a Gentleman Plus. So the Gentleman is the plush towel. The Gentleman Plus is the double-sided version thereof, I believe. And potentially even just a thicker version. Now this one says 600 grams per square meter. So very plush towel. Not the plushest in terms of removing waxes, things like that. You go too plush, you end up in drying towel territory, not product removal. But yeah, nice towel, good size, reasonable size, edgeless as well, which is very important. Some of these towels, a little bit of fluff there. Some of these towels have a really poor edging, but this one looks to be really, really nicely made. So yeah, that's their Gentleman Plus edgeless microfiber. Nice little bag in all fairness. You can see with a lot of these towels, they don't come even packaged a great deal. I'll cram that back in there just so I can keep it clean till I give it a run out. So I've got that. No wash mitts, anything like that to try on this occasion. But the bit I was super stoked for, and this is what I spotted on Instagram when I started speaking to Michael, look at that, it's huge. So brushes, they have these really nice brushes, lovely molded handle. This one is huge. They do 4 sizes all told. If you have a look at what they do on Instagram, their website and so on. So 4 sizes. This is their 40mm, they do a 30mm, 16 and another one. It's a really, really big brush. Very, very plush. I don't know if that focuses up that close. It should do. Yeah, really, really nicely put together. Very sturdy, solid. That's, you're going to drive over that to break it. Branded nicely as well. Very, very straightforward, as all branding should be. Just black and yellow does the trick for these. But yeah, this is their largest size, and then these are the smallest and one up, so there is a size in between these. But yeah, really, really nice. Even the small ones, nice delicate handle, ergonomically designed. You can hang them up. I know a lot of guys modify their brushes after the fact so you can hang them up, so it's nice that they are sort of already incorporating that in. Visually very reminiscent of a Valet Pro brush, in all fairness. I've never tried Valet Pro ones, but yeah, very reminiscent of those. But really, really well built, well put together. It's an odd touch, but I like how neat the bristles are. They've been well packed in there. But yeah, just put together really, really nicely. But this is what caught my eye when talking to them. And in particular, bear with me, these ones. Now, like I said, they do 4 sizes. They do 4 sizes in both. So these would be the 4 sizes, technically speaking. But yeah, you can see the difference in the bristles between these. So this is more of a natural bristled brush, and this is a ludicrously soft, chemical resistant as well, synthetic bristle. So these are called their albino brushes. These things are gorgeous. I mean, we're talking, you know, very, very soft, not quite as makeup brush soft. So you can see if I put a little bit of weight on the bristle, it doesn't just fold and collapse into itself. But yeah, a really, really plush, really nice brush, these ones. They would, for me, I'm going to make this a statement, put it out there. I've not tried them, but recently I've seen a lot for the detail factory brushes, and you know, people saying, you know, are they expensive makeup brushes? And I don't know, honestly. I get sort of that comparison point, but for these very, very soft brushes, where is the place for them? But I think they have the capacity, for me at least, to be a cheaper alternative, I think. And until I've tried both side to side, I'm going to put a little caveat on that and say I've not done that. But these, for me, there's enough strength in that bristle, it, you know, feels that way, to have some bite in the work that it's going to need to do. It's not as keen as that, let's say. It's, you know, it's not an aggressive bristle, but it's such a soft texture. You know, I think that's really got to be potentially a little bit of a market beater for them for work stuff, when you consider the price. Now, like I say, at the minute they don't have a UK seller, but you can speak with work stuff. You can buy, and you know, as I have, they ship them out here. These ones from the small one is £4. I'm converting, vaguely speaking, from the Polish currencies, zlotys. So £4, £6, £8 for this one, and 10 for the big one of this with this bristle. So comparatively speaking, to say the detail factories, which are 23 for a pair, I could essentially say, you know, you've got these 3 here, I can undercut that for 3. It's crazy. So I think the price point on these is very, very generous. I think they're very, very well priced, and potentially a very welcome thing in the UK market. I would love to stack these up against, say, a Valet Pro brush and a detail factory brush and just see how they do compare. But yeah, for now, I just thought a little unboxing for these, keep something going on the channel at least, just while we've been a little bit quiet here. And just to introduce, really, particularly you guys in the UK that watch the channel, to work stuff detailing. I'll put the links for these guys below. Instagram, there's a lot of their stuff on there. And like I say, they do a lot of these tool type of things. There's a tire dressing applicator as well. There's a clay bar in there also, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, they actually do quite a few different bits, grit guards, everything, but really well branded. And I think potentially a breakout brand for this year on the UK market, at least. I think they have a place, and I think they're eye-catching enough to stand out. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below, as always. If you want to like, share, comment, subscribe, and check back soon. And I'll do my best to try and get some videos coming to you guys. So apologies for the quietness on the channel, but hopefully we'll get that back up to speed soon. Thanks very much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.